family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, today we're going to share with you what does the normally say shall never end. Listen, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I touch like the latest happening and I bring reality to your doorstep. So without not wasting much of the time, let us dive into the reason why we're here. So my people, a lot has been happening, and trust Progress the Analyst, I was just like waiting to see exactly what will happen, how it will goes, and how everything will end. Now, if you watch what is happening right now, there are a lot of information about Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. You see, the thing they catch fire. So, Progress the Analyst, I'm one person that I dey like to get the authentic information. Like, I know just they come, they on my camera, I go just they talk, but the ones I know, I speak with evidence because a lot of people they listen. Now, when this matter starts with Simon Ekpa about this peace, I knew that something is wrong. I know say something they will be say they don't want to talk right. Yes. So I begin to watch the situation. I begin to watch the scenario. Every day Simon Ekpa say peace, Simon Ekpa say peace, Simon Ekpa peace. We don't know say they get linked, because when this piece of a thing they come and say no, when these people, when their madness they start like this, you go see them on social media, they pa. You go know say these people they are up to something. We know they not be today. So we don't know say they don't get one link to Nnamdi Kanu information whereby Nnamdi Kanu is calling all Biafrans to come under one umbrella. They are calling for peace. He, Nnamdi Kanu, is calling for peace, that everybody, the house should be united. So a lot of things happened. So even I say these people, some of them 1, 2, 1, 3 friends, call reach out to them, say, let's make peace, let's just stay under one canopy, you know, let's work things out. We were under one canopy before. Now because of this DOS, that makes Simon Ekpa cut from us. So now I don't expect DOS, may they come back again. And you guys know, say Simon Ekpa first the rapport with the Eastern Security Network. After some time, Simon Ekpa cut she and say, all this security network, they thought they, you know, because some of them were working with DOS. Simon Ekpa can launch his own Biafra Liberation Army. All of us there for the matter. Now their picture be this way. They first start. Their first uniform now be this. So they can launch this Eastern Security Network, Biafra Liberation Army. Now so the ticket they go. Now, first thing first, we will cut out those sides. So when Simon Ekpa go in now, meanwhile Simon Ekpa personally don't dissolve Eastern Security Network. Now, when Simon Ekpa don't go in now, so as I talk, say Nnamdi Kanu now called for peace, that he want the house to be united, based on say don't sack this DOS member, that is the third administration of this leadership for IPOB. Now I call the call for unity, but that is not really the main reason why I'm here. Calling for this unity. All these fake freedom fighters who they do for social media, their own is just to look for where there is saga. All these ones they are saying, this is that. Watch their videos. Their own is just for saga. And I just they pray say this one when they want pack now, because it is obvious they don't pack. Go join IPOP. Go join this third the fourth administrative. Okay, they don't pack now. They're not there under USB, or they're not there under Simon Ekpa, let me use that word, or they call them autopilot again, because say they don't sack the DOS. So now they don't retrace their step back, and I go prove that to now. Now recently, because you watch video where be say the Eastern Security Network, the Biafra Liberation Army, the BB this, the BB that, they came out and they threw their support to Nnamdi Kanu. Now, if you see all these fake freedom fighters online, when they say they fight for Biafra, when they know they fight for, you go see say their utterances is just all about saga. Even that place where they won't go, now confusion they won't put for there. Watch, you know, they go to start to fight themselves. All these ones you are seeing them doing on social media, now we know them. We get their pin code and I get their medicine. They will soon start to fight themselves if care is not taken. All those people now, because they don't say Nnamdi Kanu don't release these people, these names now, they won't try to go take position. They call for media team, come, do this, do that, let's work together. No problem. As even stand, I be like say CROC self now, don't still join. No problem. But the thing be say, social media war, social media fight, social media chaos. Now they won't constitute nuisance. They don't pack this their nuisance now. Won't go join this fourth administrative. Make those people they very careful. This new administrative where must now the Kanu appoint now. All this falling Asia, they fall left, fall right. They know they stay for one place. Today they're there here, tomorrow they're there, next tomorrow they're there, anywhere be left. Because if they not do saga, nobody will recognize them. If they did not carry propaganda against somebody, nobody will recognize them. So now they can come and say, Simon Ekpa say unity. That's why they are talking about this unity. They did not talk about going to join this new administrative now that the Kanu brought this new administrative that they did not say they want to go and join. They say Simon Ekpa say unity. At the time we're like, unity with who? Peace with who? Peace with who? We don't know say they don't go, they do their underground this thing now, they won't go join that side. They get a lot of enemies for that side though. Hey, now photo, now drama we go they wash. There, with all those new fourth administrative self, all these ones that pack from all this media team going to join this Mazina the Kanu new administrative now. Na quarrel saga na they know to they carry to they talk wetin person not do very soon self they themselves they go say the new DOS na bandits or na terrorists. Me I know them, I know these people. They know the people where they stay near body. All this fake media team, them more good ones they bought. All this also they jump, they shout. When you see them, you say don't throw their support to that direction. You go no say they are just there for something. Now they were thinking that as they are packing to that place, those people now will not join them to be acting their common enemy. I'm telling you the truth, so that DOS now when they newly put, you need to be careful with all these rats, all these fake freedom fighters. They are just looking for an avenue to see that people join them in fighting their common enemy. That is the way it will go very soon. They will be putting words in those people. That, oh, now this person, no. Oh, now this person, no. Oh, now this person, no. So that the person will not join them to be fighting their common enemy. This is what they are doing. And this is what they are about to do. So before Abraham, they were men. Before they start that coup, may we just cast them. So for this place, we say we go issue certificate for them. They never mean well to go and join those people with genuine hearts. No. You see all these ones they are doing on social media. They never mean well to go and join this new DOS in oneness. They never mean well to go and join this DOS with the reason of peace and unity. I tell you, very soon, they will start. Oh, this new DOS. Now this one they do like this for Biafra land. Now this one they do like this for South part of Nigeria. Oh, you go seek chaos when these people go come because anywhere they dey. Now confusion and problem. Now I make I know say if they make on see this new administrative now, may they tighten up their bets, may they not allow all this saboteur, all these online benefits media people, join them. Make on not grow. You people should not give the that room. All these ones they are doing, these people, they are not genuine. Now, war and fight that they bring the cause. So, I need to set this record very, very straight. Oh, this new DOS, not use all these people, all these media war people, when they're not the part of what Mazna the Kanu shoes, when they won't force themselves now, can't go there. Not let the cause because they are confused element. The problem on ground today, they are the cause. All these fake media thing where they shout, see.
Make una help me ask them their motive or they are not genuine.
For their soul. When you see them, you know they are problematic people. So this new fourth DOS office now, use your office very well and don't let anybody make you to attack anybody or to start fighting. If you start with fight, not let these people push you because I know that make me feel they send my message now. These people, they never mean when anywhere. They can never be happy when there is progress. No. They like the place where we say confusion problem. See one of them, they shout, oh, hey, now what one start, what now with the way to make on a use on our country. Aside that, so, Paul, Ashebe Paul can't really make me really understand what is really going on because at the time, I was really listening and say, what is it? Where are they going to? What is the motive? They say, Mazda the Kanu say they go Finland, go protest. You see these people, these other new DOS people, they know them. They know them. Yes, they know them. They still stand on their ground. Some of them come and talk, say, Simon Ekpa is innocent. Simon Ekpa have said a lot of things before. Yes, we all carry the video. At the same time, why Ona won't force them to agree that Simon Ekpa is innocent? You don't need to do that. This should come from their mind, not you sending message. No. When you the same message, it shows say, you now just they wanted they say you sabi fight, so you go help them fight the DOS. Yes, that is what they are doing. They want to start to tell them that, this new DOS, so we go fit help on fight the SDOS, of which they have started already. Now me can tell them, say, anywhere when they did now war, ask them, why they not they attack the SDOS since? Or why they not they attack Mazina? Why they not they talk to Mazina the Kanu wife since? Now, yeah, we did. Somebody say they've told me, give me instruction not to talk to Mazina the Kanu's wife. But today, you did social media now. They talk about Mazina the Kanu's wife because you know, say, opportunity don't come for your saga as usual. Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. Now, we don't make the thing clear now, say, some people finally now don't join IPOB. Of which a lot of the supporters of Simon Ekpa, they are so angry. They say, why now go join IPOB when Simon Ekpa don't come out from IPOB, can't get this USB, they can't go do declaration and all that. Why on a cause they go they join IPOB when on a don't did they build on a don't declare this thing? Now they're supposed to join on now. No one are supposed to join them. Now the kata when it did now be this. The both supporters now, no, they agree to those people say, okay, make they go join the instruction from Nina Dikanu. Why? Because all this fake media team, they don't want to explain to the people that right now, since Simon Ekpa is not there, Mazina Dikanu is more closer with information, and they are going to join Mazina Dikanu. That they are going to join the IPOP, the new DOS, and when Simon Ekpa come out, Simon Ekpa will together go and join the new DOS. But because they lack how to express, talk to their followers, they don't want to say the way it is because they don't even understand this. Their own, they don't get new DOS, so let us go. Oh yeah, return. That is why they are not returning. But their returning is not genuine. Yes, I say so. Their returning is not genuine. Anyways, we see when we say Eastern Security Network don't come out, Biafra Defense Force don't join, some Force don't join. Say now they are under Eastern Security Network. They are returning back to the name they used to bear before. That one na the video. Everybody does see the video. Now, to our greatest surprise, Mr. Nkere come and say no. When did these people come talk? That is not the way it is. That he has done a lot. In fact, let us hear from him.
Full information. Very soon, you will hear from Major General Gento Yahoo. Thank you and God bless you.
This ex-officer that we just heard his voice. His name is Michael. We Biafran people have tolerated enough. Every logistics, every attire he's putting on is provided by the Biafra de facto government, not IPOB.
Wahala.
The uniform he's putting on said the Biafra Resistance Army. And they also have the Biafra Liberation Army uniform, not ESN. I'm here today on behalf of the Biafra Defense Force, BDF, Biafra Liberation Army, BLA. I am announcing that long-time BDF commanders, starting from Iigwe Butuzo, Gento the Yahoo, I don't know which human being, the Yahoo, Angel Makeup, are immediately relieved of duty and stripped of their position. Iigwe Butuzo, Gento the Yahoo, and Angel Makeup have engaged in subordination for a long time and have been warned repeatedly about their rogue behavior. The most recent video of him referring to himself as a member of ESN, Eastern Security Network, and that he is taking orders from Mazin Namdekan from Sokoto prison is the latest of a long line transgressions. Other units associated with Iigwe Butuzo have made similar statements. Mazin Namdekan is a Biafran activist. He is not the head of BDF, nor the BLA. BDF have never taken orders from Mazin Namdekan. Furthermore, the Biafra Defense Force, BDF, Biafra Liberation Army, BLA, is the successor of a military force to Eastern Security Network. Insubordination will not be tolerated. Anyone who operates beyond the command and control of the Biafra Defense Force, which include trying to take instructions from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu during his tenure in Sokoto prison, will either be court-martialed or relieved of their positions. Troops under Iigwe Butuzo and Gentle Commander will be reassigned to other units. Troops who decide to continue to follow Iigwe Butuzo and Gentle will be declared as persona non grata and will be stripped of their position.
Persona?
The BDF has a good reputation with the U.S. government. I repeat, the BDF has a good reputation with U.S. government. The BDF has a good reputation with U.S. government and various foreign governments. The public behavior of Iigwe Butuzo, Gentle the Yahoo, and Angel Makeup, which have been erratic at times wide, have been costly for the BDF and our image. Currently, their buffets, behavior, plate, and utter mockery of us. It has been made clear to the BDF by international stakeholders that the BDF needs to run with a certain professionalism moving forward, and that this may mean letting go of those who are not up to standard. These three commanders have become a liability and fall beneath the standard of what is expected of the BDF. The BDF henceforth calls all time with Butuzo, Gentle the Yahoo, Angel Makeup, and completely disassociate with them. We thank them for their prior service, and every other loyalist to Iigwe Butuzo from now henceforth. If you don't desist from taking order or working with him, we will disassociate ourselves from you. A further announcement may be made in the future about their replacement.
You can say that they call the stars Iigwe Butuzo and the Gentle the Yahoo, you don't understand. Now they be part of the Instant Security Network now, where the comma say they pledge their loyalty for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So based on say that they work formally with Briggy, so now I make Mr. Nkere come out now, say they tell the Senate, say they not even want to work with them again if they not retrieve their steps. So that means they still be in communication all along. They were still working together all along, according to the report. Una hear from a direct, not me talking, now it talking. That means they be working together all along before they can go back now to Eastern Security Network. Now, it gets one particular statement when he made about Holy Ghost, because we know when they talk about this Holy Ghost, when a lot of people they talk many things. See, now we see they break on social media. Now we take the walk, and now we see they ask the questions. Now they talk a lot of things about Holy Ghost, of which a shocking revelation called they made from this broadcast right now when he say may they ask somebody where Holy Ghost. So if they follow up the matter now, they understand a lot of things where we say at the top, because then they were accusing a lot of people of this Holy Ghost. But
our BDF is a no-go area. Something is going on very soon to manifest publicly. A lot of talk be going on. That is why nothing like ESN. ESN have never been presented anywhere. You want to tell me that we'll talk about BDF, that we'll go back and we'll say ESN. Go where? Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra Defense Force. And some US lawmakers, both present and past, some of them have tweeted encouraging US to work with Biafra Defense Force. So do you want to tell me ESN is now your defense force, Unyara? Do you want to tell me that ESN is now your defense force? That is why all these lunatics, touts that don't fit up to standard of our BDF is good that gradually they are flushing themselves out of BDF. Some of them, their hand is not clean. And I'm going to say something here that I want every Biafra to take very seriously. If you're listening and you fear Biafra, before we take our decision, especially when it comes to our security, whatever we do, we are very careful. Some of you that might be emotional about Butuzo, gentle, thinking they are sent, they are not. These people have done some things against their own colleagues. Take this message, call it, send it to Butuzo. Tell Butuzo to come and tell Biafrans what happened to Holy Ghost. Maybe first time I'm saying this here, and I'm not going to repeat it. If he can defend it, know that his hands is not clean. So the God of the land is exposing him. Butuzo, you are gentle. Tell Biafrans what you guys did to Holy Ghost. Thank you from here.
The way they go now, I go sit they bring at the court give on a gen. Now, for me to tell you that Mazina the Kanu said there should be peace. So all this break away, fall off, fall down, fall middle, fall corner, that are not packing to go and join IPOB. Listen to what Paul Ashebe said. Then you will understand more better.
Because the people they have been using have been failed. Mazina the Kanu has crippled them. That is why I told you people, what Nigerian government is afraid of not to take place in IPOB has started happening, and they are panicking, which is the unity and the unite under one command of Mazin Kanu.
Yes.
If you are an IPOB member and one thing led to the other and you were suspended or you get angry and leave IPOB, please come back to IPOB. It doesn't matter if you are autopilot or you are government in exile or you are whatever. Come back. Mazin can say, let us come back and make IPOB great again for Biafra restoration. Don't give up. And if you
now you get the message, right? So when I listen to Paul Ashebe, that was when I really understand that, okay, Mazina the Kanu called that all IPOP should be under one canopy. But all these break up and fall away people, they don't know how to convey the issue to their followers. They started with using Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa say peace, oh. Simon Ekpa say peace. And we keep on asking these people, peace with who? Peace with who? Peace with who? They cannot even express themselves. Now we can't get the message. See what today before this today hard for them to talk. You know, say there is a lot of kuli under their pillow. See, we know these people. Very soon, everything will still brought to light. Everything will still come out. People not just watch. Now here we dey. Una go they get the information one after the other. All these breakaway people. We know them. They are dramatics. They are comedians. Now they be. We know them. They are not genuine. We know them. Anywhere they left face, anywhere they for call. Now their mind is they will give them one position in the media team. Now I mean they do all these things, so nothing more. I dey here with una, my people. I go the keep una updated, check by check. This is Progress the Analyst for a reason, and here I keep you updated. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.